everyone, you're watching Explore to Shine with Anu. This is the second session of Computer Fundamentals. Before proceeding to this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Now, let's quickly dive into this video. Computer Fundamentals, Session 2. The topics discussed in this sessions are classification of computer, computer architecture, you say the block diagram of computer, input unit, central processing unit and output unit. So now let's see the classification of computers. So computers are classified based on the following factors. Firstly, based on data, based on size and storage capacity, and based on speed and computing power. So based on data, computers are classified into analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computer. Let's see each of these computers in detail. So firstly, coming for analog computers. These computers are used for measuring physical quantities. They can process the physical and continuous information. These computers are used in measuring temperature, pressure, speed, voltage. Example, electric current meter, fuel pump station meters are some of the examples of analog computers. Next, digital computer. So digital computer can process the information which is in binary state, that is zeros and ones state. Example, all commonly used computers, calculators, digital watches are the examples of digital computers. Now the third type of computer, depending upon the data, it is hybrid computers. So these computers combines the features of analog and digital computer. It works on both analog and digital data. They are mainly used in specialized applications where both analog and digital information needs processing, like weather forecasting, radar controlling systems, digital petrol pump. In petrol pumps, we see that the fuel flow converts into quantity and then the quantity is converted into values. So these are the examples of hybrid computers. Now I think you're clear with the classification of computers based on data. So based on data, the computers are being classified into analog computers, digital computers and hybrid computers. So analog computers are those which can understand the information or process the information which is in physical quantities. And digital computers can process the information or understand the information which is in binary state. And hybrid computers, it can work both on digital and analog data. Next, based on size and capacity, computers are classified into desktop computers, laptop computers, handheld computers, tablet PC. So first, desktop computers. Desktop computers are computers that fit on a desk. It is made up of separate components. The main component is the CPU, or you say it is system unit. All other components like monitor, keyboard, mouse are connected to the system unit. Next, coming for laptop computers. So laptop computers are small, portable personal computers. It was named laptop because it is easy to use by resting on a person's lap without the need of a desk or other flat surface. They are also referred as notebook computers, though a notebook computer usually describes a computer that is smaller and lighter than a traditional laptop. They can operate on batteries, so you can carry them anywhere. They combine CPU, monitor, keyboard in a single case. So next, coming for handheld computers. Handheld computers are battery powered, highly mobile and compact computer that can be conveniently stored in a pocket. They are also called as PDA, that is Personal Digital Assistant. They are used for scheduling appointments, storing address and phone numbers, and also for playing games. Some have advanced capabilities like making calls and accessing internet. They have touch screens that you use with your finger or a stylus. A stylus is nothing but it's a pointing device which is pen shaped. Next, coming for tablet PC. It is a portable touchscreen personal computer that combines the features of laptop and handheld computers. Like laptop, they are powerful and have built-in screen. Like handhelds, they allow you to write notes or draw pictures on the screen with the help of tablet pen instead of stylus. They are smaller than notebook but larger than smartphone. So based on size and capacity, storage capacity, it has been classified into desktop computers, laptop computers, handheld computers and tablet PC. So next, moving on to the classification of computers based on speed and computing power. So computers are being classified into microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer and supercomputer. So first, coming from microcomputer. The microcomputer is usually referred to desktop PC, that is personal computer, laptop, notebook, PDA, tablet computer. They are single user system. They are small and relatively inexpensive. It is a computer with a microprocessor as its central processing unit. So next, coming for mini computer. So mini computers are slightly bigger than this microcomputer and storage capacity is more when compared to microcomputer. Speed is also high when compared to microcomputer and they are multi-user system. They are used for scientific and engineering computations, mainframe computers. They are bigger than mini computers. Storage capacity is more than mini computer. They are also faster than mini computers. They are also multi-user system. They are primarily used by large organizations for critical application, bulk data processing such as census, industry and consumer statistics, and ERP. Next, coming for supercomputers. They are bigger than the mainframe computers. Storage capacity is also more when compared to mainframe computers, very high speed, and they are also multi-user system. They are used for weather forecasting, climate research, oil and gas exploration. So this diagram shows the parts of computer. So this is a monitor. So it displays the key that is being keyed in through the keyboard as well as the result also is being displayed on this monitor. The monitor is also called as VDU, Visual Display Unit. Next we have this modem. It is called as modulator, demodulator. It allows you to access internet. Then we have CPU, Central Processing Unit, which is a main component of your computer. And we have mouse, which is a pointing device, which is used to select the instruction from the computer. Then we have speakers, which will output the sound from the computer. Next, this is a printer. So the data, whatever you have prepared on your computer, if you need to take a print of it, then we use printer. So the copy which you take on a printer is called as hard copy. And next, keyboard. It's an input device which is used to give the data and instruction to the computer. So next we see the block diagram of computer. So this is a block diagram of computer. So seeing this diagram, we can identify the important components or parts of computer. So the block diagram of computer shows the major parts of the computer system. That is, we have the input unit, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, memory unit, output unit. And here control unit, arithmetic logic unit and memory unit, together they are called as central processing unit. So first, coming for input unit, the process of entering data and instruction into the computer system is known as inputting. The devices which is used for entering data and instruction are called input devices. The two most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. So other input devices are scanner, light pen, webcam, barcode reader, MICR, trackball, joystick, microphone, OMR. So next, coming for the most important part, that is central processing unit. CPU is called the brain of computer. It communicates with input, output and storage devices. It processes the information received from the user. It is made up of three main components, that is CU, control unit, ALU, which has been expanded as arithmetic and logic unit, and memory unit. So next, coming for control unit. The control unit controls all other components of the computer. It does not actually execute program instructions, rather it directs other parts of the system to do so. It communicates with both ALU and MU, that is memory unit. It is nervous system of the computer. Arithmetic and logic unit, ALU, is the fundamental building block of CPU. It is a digital circuit responsible for doing calculations and comparisons. The processor found inside modern CPUs and GPUs, that is graphics processing unit, accommodate very powerful and complex ALU. So next, coming for microprocessor. A microprocessor, which is also known as a CPU, as a central processing unit, is a complete computation engine that is fabricated on a single chip. The first microprocessor was the Intel 4004, introduced in 1971. Microprocessor is a multi-purpose programmable device that accepts digital data as input, processes it according to instructions stored in its memory, and provides result as output. A microprocessor incorporates the functions of a computer's central processing unit on a single integrated circuit, or at most a few integrated circuits. Memory unit. So memory is the storage unit which stores data and instruction. The data and instruction that are entered into the computer system through input units have to be stored inside the computer before actual processing can start. Similarly, the result produced by the computer after processing must also be kept somewhere inside the computer system before these can be passed on to the output units. Moreover, the intermediate result produced by the computer must also be preserved for ongoing processing. The storage units or the main memory of the computer system is designed for these purposes. Next, coming for output unit, displaying the processed information from the computer is called as output. These devices used for displaying processed information to the user are called output devices. The most popular output devices are monitor, that is, which is also called as visual display unit, and the printer. The other output devices are plotter and speakers. That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you share it with your friends. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and keep smiling.